Straight ba talaga? Straight? Playoff team? We're willing to go through that every year. If that's our shot to make it to the Final Four. We're just thankful, really, really grateful that the Lord blessed us with this win today. I'm not sure if your family really deserve it, but it's rather than something we preach to them, as long as you do your part, you will get rewarded. So I guess today, not really perfect, but again, Coach Sab, we shot really well today. Unlike other games. Well, we were just able to have a session here yesterday. I guess it helped us get some confidence in taking those shots. But I guess more than that, it's our defense. Hindi naman yung sabi nga namin, it's our ticket to being competitive as a team, which we missed the last time we played USC. Wala tayo ng defense. But today, I think we're back to our full job.
Thank you for that, Coach. Royce Mantuar, player of the game, 14 points. On a near perfect shooting clip. Royce, let's just talk about the offense muna for you. At least for you. The offense did not play against UST, but this time around it did. Your thoughts on how the offense flowed to the team played?
We all know that this is going to be our final chance to compete Final Four. So we all really have to play our A game, and our shots just getting up and down. So, and everyone's shots is also getting up and down. So I'm very happy that we all played each other's spots and we all executed well, especially on defense.
Thank you, Royce. And Tomano Nago, second leading scorer for Arizona with 13 points. On 8-7 shooting. Tomano, talk about the defense naman of the team. Parang puhunan niya siya. Lalo na yung round 2. The low scoring games turned out to be victories for you. Ito, low scoring at least for the opposing team. So, your thoughts na on the kind of defense you displayed this game?
Siguro ito yung winner ko talaga pre-season and in-embrace ko yung role ko lalo na nawala ko si Kalisay and sa defensive player namin and yun. So kailangan may cover up pagkakawala na din sa game na yun. So yun, in-embrace ko lang yung challenge na yun na gampanan ng maganda.
Thank you, Maro. And Matt Erlon, 11 points on 4 for 9 shooting on a team high plus 19. Mati, ikaw naman yung subok na dito sa playoff situation na to. So, parang, kamusta lang na, your team is really willing to go through even that extra game para lang makapasok ulit.
Happy na ako sa team namin kasi binigay nila lahat yung best nila. Lalo na crucial game para makapasok sa playoffs. So, yun, sobrang masaya ko lang na nanalo kami. Pero, may next game pa naman playoff series. So, yun, celebrate natin ito ngayon. And then, bukas, nabawa na naman.
Thank you. And the last floor is now open for questions.
Coach, sabi mo nga kanina, willing kayo to go through the playoff every year if that's what it takes. No? But this season, you had a chance na talagang kumbaga nasa kamay niyo yung fate niyo. Siguro, how did you like how the players responded after that loss against USC? Kung ano yung binago nila sa laro nila this time around?
Yes, we don't get everything according to plan. We wanted it the easy way. Now we did the games to try to pass to that side. May ibang paraan. So it's harder. But ngayon, may chance ulit kami. Yun nga yun eh. It's really just playing through adversity. Mga bata, hindi na sila bata. But kailangan nasanay sila sa hirap. Hindi maganda. Kailangan lumaban sila. All the more kailangan lumaban. It's something that I've noticed with last of younger guys na konting change of environment kagad dinahanap. No? But ito, they stuck together. No? They found ways to just compete and ngayon, nanalo nga kahit na napakapangit ng isang araw. Ngayon naman, sa akin napakaganda, but at least medyo maganda.
Manu, for you, ano yung naging mindset mo? Of course, sa Adamson, alam natin na madalas naging main scorer din talaga sila AJ or sila Conley, di ba? So parang ano lang yung iniisip mo na para mag-stay ready ka na even in the crucial moments yung, ito, probably the biggest game for the season for Adamson, tapos nakapag-step up ko.
Again, ito talaga yung parang sa akin ni Coach na siya, yung pagiging 3-and-D. So I'm playing defense, so parang ready lang sa perimeter. And yun, ready lang sa mga kick-out passes and getting good shots. And ayun, nag-struggle ako nung first half. And yun, adjust ako nung second half.
Coach, yung makakalaban nyo sa Duor dahil Wednesday, siguro paano na i-approach yun? Kasi sa eliminations, split kayo, first round natalo kayo against UE, tapos second round natalo kayo. Paano na i-approach yung game din, especially with this win heading into that game?
Well, when you get to the playoffs, you get into a knockout game, no? Yung mga nangyari before, wala yun, no? Ako like kung sinasabi sa akin, hindi mangyayari. Expect na hindi mangyayari yung mga nangyari dati. No? It will be a totally different ball game. So, you don't really know what to expect. But sa amin, gagawin pa rin namin though very mas limited, no? Because we play Wednesday. No? It's good nga that we get this rest tomorrow. But we only have 2 days to prepare for you. So it will be different, but we will do our part in preparing the players.
Manu, more than likely si John Calisa baka wala sa game nyo against kasi na-suspend na John Ocho ngayon. Siguro paano mo na lang iti-take yun as an opportunity na para mas mag-break out pa for Adamson, especially in do-or-die scenario against UE?
Staying ready lang and yun naman malalaman naman natin yan kung wala talaga siya makakapag-adjust sila kung practice. And ayun, staying ready lang and masibitang pa kasi nga do-or-die game na yun. And it will be last or may next game pa.
And to Matt, ayun na, do-or-die game, tas most likely baka send-off game na sa mga seniors na kung sakali. Siguro, paano na lang sila i-assure na mabibigyan nyo sila ng magandang ending sa career nila kung sakali or mas lalo pa nilang itutuloy para makapasok ng Final Four?
Tutulungan na namin sila. Gagawin na namin part namin. Siguro sa defense talaga kailangan namin magtulungan sa defense para
Tatawa ka.
Para may next game pa.
Coach, with a lot of stake coming into this game, what was the mental preparation like for the team, knowing, this is a do-or-die game for you guys?
Sinabi ko sa iyo.
It was to show our character. If we're willing to win this game and to show and fight. So that's what the coaches, they all told us before our game yesterday and today. So we really took that to heart and really did it.
Oh yeah, sabi ko nga pala, labas pato ang lahat. Labas pato, huwag na kayo mag-preserve ng kung ano, di ba? I was surprised with the assists number, 20. Montebon did not score a single point. He took 3 shots a day, pero he had 7 assists. No? Tama ba? Hindi ko nakikita masyado. So I guess it's something that our players are starting to learn. Really playing for each other. Hindi lang puro sarili, kailangan ako tumira, kailangan ganyan. No, but ngayon, they were trying to look for that Well, sabi ko pala sa kanila couple of days ago, did you watch the New Zealand game? Sabi ko sa kanila, if you really appreciate basketball, you should appreciate how New Zealand plays, their discipline, and their patience. So sabi ko sa kanila, yun ang kailangan nilang i-emulate. So siguro, I'm sure hindi sila nanood, but siguro may nakuha sila doon. No? Highlights lang.
And to add to that, coach, nung previous win yung sabi niya parang hindi na nakikita sa players na parang yung kagustuhan ba nila, yung hunger nilang manalo. This game ba, nakita mo yun?
Lagi yan sa floor mo makikita pag pumapasok sila. No? Sometimes before a game, during practice, sometimes they give you blank stares. So hindi mo talaga alam. And sometimes when you get to the game, naglalaro na, hindi mo pa rin alam ano bang minsan kailangan pa tanong, ano ba maglalaro ka ba today? Ano ba ibibigay mo sa akin ngayon? But so that's why ako, from our end as coaches, we just try to wake them up every time. No? Minsan makulit, but I think that's something that they need. Every day. Every hour, every minute may mga kailangan nila. Gumising konti kanina. So.
Coach, to add to that, yung sa tanong ni Thirds, nadaanan mo na eh. You've been demanding the desire from the players. You said, obviously, Monty did not score. Cedric did not really play to what we expect him to do, but the bench really gave you a big lift. How happy are you na merong ganyang, nakukuha niyo yung ganyang laro dun sa mga larong importante na and heading to that game against UAE na do or die talaga?
Yeah, I guess it's really about embracing it. No? Kasi when you have a team na not as deep as the others, no? Sabi ko sa hindi pwedeng may absent, no? Konti na nga lang tapos mag-absent pa. Diba? So naiintindihan niyo na ba? Sana naiintindihan nila babaon din yan. Ganyan ang mga players, mga bata. But yeah. Sana. I'm just hoping the next game, pa rin, no? I can't really focus on this game too much. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, next game, hindi ko alam ano makukuha ko. No? So, yeah.
And then for the players, habang ni Jules, no expectations heading to the season, but now that you're here, how do you plan on attacking that and not being satisfied to just having this fourth place playoff and really finding your way back to the Final Four? Sige muna.
Siguro, pinroof lang namin sa kanila na kaya namin maglaro as a team. Sinunod lang namin yung game plan ni Coach Nash. Yun lang.
Just Coach Nash we trust. And yeah, just heading to this what's it called? We're playing against UE. We just need to play our A game again, always, no matter what our role is, and we just need to execute pretty much and play defense. Main thing.
Siguro mas kung sinabi ni Coach Nash na walang ititira na talaga, siguro ito lahat na talaga, wala nang bubunutin na ititira sa bulsa, lahat lalabas na namin sa next game namin, going to the Final Four.
Okay. Wala na, Coach, players, thank you.